Hello, true believers, and here is an update on what we're up to. The boss is making my favorite mango salsa. This is also my favorite time of the year because that's when the mangoes are in season. They're sweet, ripe, and delicious, just like a lot of things that I like. And I just want to show you how the boss makes her mango salsa. See, these are the main ingredients over here. So we got cilantro, and then we've got onions. This is a food processor that we actually brought from home from America. So it's still going. That's like over 15 years ago. And all you have to do is make sure you plug it into a transformer. So that's how you know that it's an American appliance when you have to plug that in, because it's 110 versus 240 volts. It should be, most appliances should be auto volt now, but there's American appliances that are not. So make sure you don't blow up your appliances with this by plugging it into a regular outlet. But back to the mango salsa. So we got the cilantro as the main ingredient, and also we've got onions, and she uses this food processor over here. And we've got, of course, mango, which gives it that tangy sweet taste, and tomatoes, obviously, and the usual salt and pepper. So right now the tomatoes are draining right now. And I mean, I like salsa, regular salsa just fine, salsa. But it just tastes so much better with some mangoes and some chips. And that's what the best things in life are, mango salsa. So that's what we're up to today. And this is how the boss makes mango salsa. And this time of year, the mangoes are available. And during the other times of the year, the mangoes are not ripe. I mean, they're usually sour. So I said, we'll just wait until mango season comes around and we'll enjoy mango salsa again. So thank you very much. This is bebotsonly. Thanks for watching.